Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can track your package or your order in Amazon Shopping. So once you have ordered something from Amazon, and basically let's go for example for let's say you bought a PC for example. Once you buy something, it's gonna be here in the order section. So once you go into the order section, you will be able to buy or to find some orders that you have bought, like digital orders and basically the normal orders, physical ones. So you can track them simply following these things or these steps that are in here. So first of all, to get tracking numbers and delivery updates, you need to check your orders, which we have talked about it already. Then find the order that you want to track. It will be here. And as for now, I don't have any order. But you guys, normally if you order enough from Amazon, you will have all your list of orders right here. Of course, if the order that was yours wasn't showing, simply just choose a big range of date. And as you can see, it looks like you haven't placed any order in the last 3 months, because only 3 months are the orders that's gonna be shown for first, and then you can choose either 30 days or 2026 or 2025. So once you get to that point, select all updates to get delivery updates and tracking numbers. If you order more than one thing, they may have separate delivery dates and tracking info. Some packages like standard international deliveries might not be trackable. So track packages from third-party sellers like sellers at Amazon or independent business and individuals that sell their products on Amazon Marketplace. To check if your order from a third-party seller, refer to your orders and review the surname, and basically you can actually have the access to their information, so you can contact them, like they will share the info with them, and basically you will give you the news about them. So you simply have to contact them back and they will answer you back. So yeah, this is how you can track your orders. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming videos.